Use appropriate safety equipment when maneuvering the dishwasher into your workspace. Unpack the dishwasher by tearing at the seams of the plastic packaging. The efficient packaging is easily disassembled. Remove the plinth from the furniture and place to one side. Insert the water and drain hose plus the cable through the niche and direct them to the connection points. Carefully maneuver the dishwasher into the niche. Inside the dishwasher, you will find the manual as well as the fitting components. Take a moment to read through the manual to make sure you fully understand the installation process. For the next step, you will need the sealant. Attach the sealant to the dishwasher. You will now need the 2 right-angled plates and the 2 foam dampeners. Stick 2 foam dampeners into place. You can cut the foam dampeners in half and use on top as well as on the sides of the dishwasher to reduce vibration. Clip the 2 plates onto the top of the dishwasher. Next, you will need the steam protector. Mount the steam protector onto the underside of the worktop using the 4 screws provided. Using a screwdriver on the front of the machine, we will adjust the back leg to the required height. Then push the dishwasher up into the place and hold it there whilst you adjust the front legs until it is level. Take the decoration panel and place it onto your work surface. For the next step, you will need the installation template. Place the template flat onto the decoration panel. Use the template to mark out the screw points for each mounting bracket. Fix the mounting screws to the decoration panel. The decorative panel can now be mounted onto the dishwasher. Secure the panel in place with the screws provided. Screw the dishwasher into the niche using the 2 screws provided. You can also screw into the worktop depending on the furniture design. Open the holes by using a screwdriver. Insert the 4 plastic tubes provided into the holes. Screw the dishwasher into the niche using the 4 screws provided. Check alignment of the door and place the plinth back onto the furniture. Your installation is now complete and ready for your customer.